Hi everyone, this is the 28th video of the ACT Math Practice Problem Series, and here we have a nice little problem from the concept of triangle in geometry. As I always recommend, before seeing the solution, you can pause the video and give it a try yourself, and after that of course you want to match with my solution. So let's get started. So here the question says that which set of the three line segments could form a triangle? Lengths have been provided in the unit of inch. Now if you look at the answer options here, the three numbers that you see under each option, they are actually the length of the sides of a triangle, right? Or the length of three line segments. And the question is, which of those three line segments could form a triangle? Now, there is a very important property of triangle which is called the triangle inequality, and it is like this. It says that if the largest side of a triangle is A, then it must be less than the sum of the smaller two sides. Now, in this particular example, I have drawn a triangle here, triangle ABC, and let's assume that the side lengths are A unit, B unit, and C unit. And then in this picture, you can clearly see that A is the largest one. So if A happens to be the largest one, then it will be less than the sum of the two smaller sides. And this is called the triangle inequality. Now using this concept, we have to find the correct answer here, right? So let's try one by one. If you look at the first option, which is under option F, the three line segments are of length 2, 3 and 5 units. 5 is the largest one. Now how about the sum of the two smaller ones? Well, the sum is actually 2 plus 3, which is 5. And the largest one is also 5. So here it looks like A is equal to B plus C. Instead of A being less than B plus C, A is equal to B plus C. So the first option will not work. Those line segments cannot form a triangle. Let's look at the second option. Well, in the second option, we have three line segments which are of 2, 3 and 6 unit each. So the largest one would be 6, and then the sum of the other two, actually 2 plus 3, that is 5. Here it looks like the largest side is greater than the sum of the other two sides. So that will also not work, because according to the triangle inequality, the largest side has to be less than the sum of the smaller two sides, right? So option 2 will also not work. Okay, how about the third option, which is under option H? We have three line segments which are 3, 4 and 4 unit each. And here if we assume that the largest side is 4, then how about the sum of the other two? Well, the sum of the other two is 3 plus 4, that is 7, and 4 is actually less than 7. So this will work. If you think about it, if 4 is A, so let's assume that this is A, and then this is maybe B, and this is C. And here it looks like A is less than B plus C, because 4 is definitely less than 3 plus 4. Right? So this can form a triangle, meaning these line segments can form a triangle, and that is the correct answer. Now let's also quickly have a look at the other two options. In the fourth option, you see 8 is the largest one, 3 plus 4 is 7, 8 is greater than 7, so that will also not work. A is greater than B plus C, that will not work. And how about the last option? There again 10, 4 and 5. So 4 plus 5 is 9, again 10 is greater than 9, that will also not work, because the largest side has to be less than the sum of the other two sides. So in this case, our correct answer choice should be option H. I hope everything made sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.